Hello and welcome to another episode of Elephant English Podcast. Today I'm going to be doing a speaking practice about learning English and my studies to help you to practice for your speaking test and to improve your listening skills in English. I'm going to ask some questions and then I'm going to answer them like they do in speaking exams. Question number 1. Are you a student? Yes, I'm a student. At the moment, I'm studying my last year of high school. This year, I will finish high school and next year, I want to go to university. Question number 2. How do you get to school? I go to school by bus because it is far from my house. My parents can't take me to school in the mornings because they start work at 8 a.m. and school starts at 8:30. Question number 3. Do you like your studies? I don't like my studies because it is difficult for me to study a lot every day. But I know that I need to study to go to university and get a good job. At school, I like some subjects more than others. Question number 4. Do you study English at your school? Yes, I study English at school and we have 5 lessons per week. I think that it is fun to learn English and it is very important for my future. Question number 5. Why do you think English is important for your future? I think that English is important for my future because in my country you can get a better job if you speak English. Also, if you know English, it is easier to travel and to talk with other people in different countries and to move to another country if I want to when I finish university. Question number 6. When did you start to learn English? I started to learn English when I was 3 years old because here in Spain we start to learn the language when we are very young. Question number 7. Who is your favourite teacher? My favourite teacher is my maths teacher. Maths is a very difficult subject, but my teacher makes it a lot easier because she can explain the content very well. I think that she is a very friendly and respectful person too, and she always helps us when we have a problem. Question number 8. What subjects do you study at school? At school, I study French, English, maths, physics and chemistry, biology, history, religion, and PE. Question number 9. What is your favourite subject? My favourite subject is PE because I love to practice sports. In PE, we play a lot of sports like football, basketball, volleyball, tennis and badminton. I love to play volleyball because I'm very good at it and you can play it with your group of friends. Question number 10. What subject don't you like? I don't like physics and chemistry, which are the same subject, because it is very difficult and I'm not very interested in the content. I think that the theory is a bit boring and the school book is very hard to study. But I like it when we go to the lab to do experiments. So today we have talked about learning English and talking about your studies. So if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and press a like and subscribe to my channel. I have made some activities about learning English and talking about your studies, and you can find this along with the transcript in the description box of this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.